homosexuals can be ashamed nor disgraced. It is something to be accepted by the people and the phenomenon to be accepted by myself. Hi, good evening. All the way from the 0-kilometer Datma Chocna, Philippines, Mario Balas, Bataan, and I'm very much to represent our very own barangay, Ipag. My name is Maricar Alcarelas, but tonight, this will allow me to stand and fight by the name of one of the most sexy and promising young actress in Philippine cinerama. Sabay-sabay po natin isigaw at ipagkahiyawan ng pangalan, Binibining Francine Prieto. Na nag-iwan po ng mga katagang, ang kalabasa ay pampalinaw ng mata, pero pag duling ka, wala ka ng pag-asa.
Thank you so much, candidate number 10. Thank you, candidate number 10, and let's now proceed to our candidate number 11.